Hey there, I'm Alex, and today I'm going to take you through the wonders of Azure services, focusing specifically on business process automation. So, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive right in. Now, imagine waking up on Monday morning with a long list of tasks that you dread because they're boring, repetitive, and time-consuming. We all been there, right? The goal here is to eliminate that dreaded feeling for employees and businesses by using Azure to automate these chores. You'll be surprised at how much time and energy you can save once automation is in place. Let's start with Azure services by looking into Azure Logic apps. Imagine it like your own business assistant who handles multiple tasks for you and communicates between different systems. With Azure Logic apps, you can pull data from anywhere, transform the data as needed, and trigger actions like sending emails or storing data in blob storage. Plus, the workflow templates built-in give you a head start with your automation journey. Then, we have the simpler Azure Flow service, a free version of Azure Logic apps, which is great for less sophisticated automation. Both Logic apps and Flows excel in orchestrating seamless integrations, working well with a range of services including Office 365 and Salesforce. That means you no longer have to manually populate CRM or ERP systems. These services do the hard work for you, streamlining your business operations. Moving on to Azure Functions, think of it as your personal warehouse robot. These are great for automating specific tasks that occur in your application, like validating data, executing batch processes, and even responding to webhooks and Kafka messages. They're super versatile with the ability to trigger based on events, HTTP requests, or timers, and they communicate via Azure Service Bus, making it a perfect fit for event-driven applications. The last gem in the Azure crown is Azure's Business Process Management Platform, Azure BPM. It specializes in managing and orchestrating complex business processes, allowing you to visualize, execute, and monitor processes with ease. Combining BPM with Azure Integration Runtime offers real-time connectivity to on-premise applications, making sure nothing falls through the gaps in the integration chain. The choice between Logic apps and Flows largely comes down to the complexity of the automation you're aiming for. If you've got advanced workflows with many steps and require more features, Logic apps is your choice. Otherwise, for simpler use cases, the Flow service is great and it's free. Just be mindful that as you choose tools, you need to find the one that aligns best with your overall business strategy and existing tech landscape. There's so much more to automation. Azure Service Bus ties it all together, supporting seamless communication between different parts of your automation, Azure Logic apps, functions, and flows. Meanwhile, Power Automate, akin to a personal assistant, facilitates automation of repetitive tasks across various cloud services, platforms, and even physical devices. It's perfect for streamlining and automating business workflows using familiar interfaces from apps like Microsoft 365, G Suite, and Google Workspace. A crucial aspect of automation I'd want to stress is security. Trust me, we've all heard horror stories about data breaches. Thankfully, Microsoft doesn't take it lightly. Azure provides robust features for securing data and integration, such as role-based access control, encryption, and Azure Key Vault. So, you can automate without sweaty palms, knowing your enterprise data stays safe. Lastly, Azure's support options, they're top-notch. Whether it's 24/7 technical assistance, expert consultancy, or self-service guidance from their comprehensive help sections, Microsoft has got your back if things get a tad tricky along the way. So, wow, that was quite a bit of information, wasn't it? Azure has so much to offer, especially when it comes to automating your business operations and processes. It can give your business its automated superpower, just like Iron Man. Now, to wrap things up, here are my favorite Azure services for business automation. Automated work automation is like riding a bike. Once you've learned how to do it, you don't want to go back. Azure services make it accessible and powerful, and I'll be exploring all of them today to give you a glimpse of the incredible automation it can offer. And if you want to stay updated with automation and cloud computing, just visit Neeraj's webpage, TechLab, where you can subscribe for the latest tips and tricks in tech. Catch you all in the comment section with your questions. Let's get automated, my friend. And here's the link to Neeraj's page, TechLab.